Hey, what's up guys, it's Crystal Jam again, bringing another Brawl Stars video on this channel. So inside of today's video, we are going to be looking at the live gameplay of Edgar inside of Present Plunder. So I'm on a mission to push my Edgar to rank 20 and I've reached rank 18. I'm just a few trophies down because I lost a few games. So the map today, the mode today in which we are going to push Edgar is Present Plunder. So just yesterday there was a map, I don't know which map it was, but it was like the best map for Edgar. Now this map, past the present, it's not very good for Edgar because you see like these open spaces, so all the long range brawlers can basically snipe you. So I don't think this is the best map for Edgar, if not the worst. But so let's head into the gameplay. I'm gonna play on this mode anyways, so let's head into it. And one thing that you have to remember guys, that Edgar requires teamwork to win. So wow, I'm just lagging right now. This is crazy. Okay, so this is a wild start. I usually don't lag at the first start of the match, but I don't know, I was using my Wi-Fi. So this is a crazy start. I'm just lagging at the start. So okay. Wow, my teammates managed to defend really well. Okay. I mean, this is the problem with my Wi-Fi. I always lag at the start of the match, and I even disconnected. So now we are back into the match. And speaking of good teammates, I've got some pro players because they defended against a Frank, Anita, and the enemy Edgar. So I mean, my teammates are just a Mortis and an Edgar. So I'm pretty sure they're in the 20,000 trophy range because they are so good right now. Look at that. This Edgar is just sniping of brawlers. And we'll take the first gift. Okay, now it's my job to defend. Okay, come on guys, you can defend this. Let's go. Guys, I can't wish for any better teammates like these. Look at that. So we're looking really good right now. I can just jump in, pass up the present. Hopefully they can. Oh no, that Nita is wrecking us. So I'll respawn for defense, and I'll just kill every one of them one by one. Just like that. Guys, patience is the key when you're using Edgar, because you really need to have patience against long range brawlers. When they're in your range, then you will attack, then you can win. So guys, unfortunately I couldn't play again because I really wanted to play again with those teammates. So I mean, it is what it is. I don't know why matchmaking is taking so long. I mean, at this trophy range, it should be, like preparing the match in just a few seconds. Okay. So, heading into the next batch, we've got some long range brawlers. You see, this is what sucks about Edgar, that he doesn't have very long range. So when we are facing all of these brawlers like Pam, Rico, you need to be really careful because they have long range and they deal too much damage, and Edgar has low hit points. Okay, this crow is doing some work. I need to help him. Come on, Crow, you got this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Come on, Frank. Touch the present. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Frank, touch the present. Thank you. Okay, so we'll take the first present. I mean, we're just BMing right now. Come on, go. You got this. You can defend. Whoa, that's a triple super right there. Triple target super. Come on, come on, come on. My God, this game is so close right now. This game is so close. Okay, this Rico just team wiped us. Hopefully they can respawn in time. Yes, Crow, yes, you're the MVP. Come on, Crow, you got this. Please. Oh. Oh yes, the Pam used her super. Let's go. This game is so close right now, guys. This game is so close. Oh my God. Please, Crow, you can defend. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, Crow, you got this. Frank, you got this. Come on. Oh my God. Randoms. Come on, guys. Frank, come on. What are you doing? These randoms. Come on, guys. I told you guys, it's teamwork that we are looking for. We don't care about the brawlers, we care about the teamwork. Good randoms is the key to win. Come on, guys. Okay, we lost this one. I mean, guys, that was super close. Please play again. Alright. So this is the third game. Let's see, we've got a Poco and a Rosa, and the enemy team has a Tick and Max and Edgar. Enemy Edgar. So, well, we're looking pretty good right now. Not too bad. I don't know why, but this Edgar is just rushing right now and is team wiping us. Come on, guys, you can do this. Touch the present. Rosa, you can do this. Come on. Yes, let's go. We have the first present. Let's go. I'm gonna jump on this stick. This stick is so annoying. Okay, not right now. I'll just protect this present. Hopefully this Poco can kill this stick actually. This stick is so annoying. Wow, this Rosa is just rushing blindly. Okay, and winning. Oh, that was a bad move by me. Wait, is Poco AFK? No. I mean, you can tell how intense these games are. Man, this stick is so annoying. Come on, Rosa. You can do this. Oh, no, 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 please, no, 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 no. Oh, shit. Shoot. Come on, Rosa, you got this. Yes, kill the tick. Thank you. Whoa. Yes, yes, yes. Pass up the present. Let's kill this Edgar. Oh no, I barely missed the present. Oh, my bad. That was a big rip. Oh no, I could have taken the present. Oh no, no, I messed up so bad. These teammates are better than me. I'm sorry, Poco. I'm sorry, Rosa. Sorry. Oh, you guys are happy. Thank you. Please forgive me. Let's see if we can play again. Come on, guys. Please, Rosa. Oh no. Why is matchmaking taking so long? Alright, this is the fourth game. And we are facing off against a Byron. So I haven't seen that brawler for a long time since. And I haven't seen it at all actually. So I think these guys outrange me. These guys outrange me so bad. Come on. Can I jump on these guys? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, this Byron is so OP right now. Can just heal. Just like that. Oh. Oh. Byron's OP, man. Byron is so OP. These guys are wrecking us right now. Come on, guys. This boy is actually doing nothing. Come on. I'm dead. Rip. This Byron is so annoying. He's annoying than the Dynamite. Come on, guys, come on. Don't mess this up. Don't mess this up. Don't mess this up. Oh my god. Oh no, 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 no. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Oh shoot. I think we'll get this one. Oh my god, Colette, please. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I don't think we're gonna get this one. Yes, 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 yes. I touched the present again. Yes, yes, yes. Please, please, guys. Come on, guys. You got this. You can do this. Touch the present. Touch the present. Oh no. Guys, we lost this one. So close, so close. Alright guys, I think this is the last game of this video. So you got the idea how to play Byron. So that was the point of my video. So in the next video, I'll post you the gameplays of I'll push him to rank 20. Then I'll give you. Then I'll post the gameplays on YouTube. That will be my next video. And what is this? Gene is doing nothing. I think he's lagging. Whoa, we're just getting wrecked. Dodge the cold super. Yes. Come on. What is this Byron doing? He's just getting himself killed. Looking so far so good. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna die. Oh, just I barely survived. Come on. I don't know what this Byron is doing. He's just killing himself. Colt, you really think you can go away with that? Come on, dodge this Nani super. Yes. I mean, we should be winning right now, but I don't know why. I think it's the teammates. Come on, Jean, do something. Just attack. Come on, guys, come on. Yes. Come on, Byron, what are you doing? Come on, guys, clutch up. Dodge the Nani super. Come on, guys, come on. Yes, kill this Edgar. Come on, let's move forward. Let's go. That's what you want to see. Ending this video on a swag right now. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And you got the idea how to play Byron. And stay tuned for the next video. And it's Crystal Gem again. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Peace.